A customer came in saying that the check engine light was on. I connected a scan tool to the vehicle and found code P0121 Throttle Pedal Position Sensor Switch A Circuit Range/Performance. This code usually indicates an issue with the throttle position sensor or its circuit. To confirm the problem, I performed a road test while monitoring live data on the scan tool. During the test, I noticed that the throttle position sensor's readings were erratic, meaning the signal wasn't consistent as it should be. To dig deeper, I inspected the throttle body and found it clean, with no signs of deposits or debris that could have affected the sensor's operation. Next, I checked the wiring harness and connector for the throttle position sensor. There were no visible signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to test for the presence of voltage and ground at the throttle position sensor connector. Both voltage and ground were present, which meant the circuit itself wasn't the problem. I then backprobed the throttle position sensor and monitored its signal using a lab scope while performing another road test. On the lab scope, the signal from the throttle position sensor appeared erratic and inconsistent, confirming the sensor was not functioning properly. At this point, it was clear that the throttle position sensor was faulty. Since the sensor on this vehicle is integrated into the throttle body, the entire throttle body assembly needed replacement. A faulty throttle position sensor can cause poor acceleration, erratic idling, and even stalling, as it's responsible for communicating the throttle opening to the engine control module. Replacing it ensures the engine receives accurate data for proper air-fuel mixture and performance. After replacing the throttle body, I cleared the fault codes and performed another road test. The vehicle ran smoothly, and the throttle position sensor readings were consistent and accurate. The check engine light did not return, and no fault codes reappeared. With the new throttle body, the vehicle now operates as it should, ensuring optimal performance and reliability.